Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Rana Wahidur Rahman. I am IT executive. Good news for IT students. We can use MS Office or Microsoft Office in Android mobile. First of all, in Play Store, we install the app WPS Office in Android mobile. After installation, we open the worksheet in Microsoft Excel and start work result card. In the first column of the sheet, we entering data as a subject name. For example, I enter data as a subject name Urdu English Pak study computer Islamic study. In the second column, that is called B column, we enter data total marks, and the third column we enter data obtained marks. Fourth column, that is called D column, we show here the percentage of the subjects. First of all, in MS Excel sheet, the basic unit of the is this called cell. Any logical function formulas, we can do operations, that is start with the is equal to. First of all, we type is equal to, then the entering data by cell address. For example, the percentage is equal to obtained marks multiply 100 over total marks. We enter is equal to C7 multiply 100 over B7 and enter. When we do this, the percentage is show in D column. After this, we select this column for copy. That shortcut key is Ctrl C and Shift arrow down arrow key. Select the columns, Ctrl C copy and Shift arrow down arrow keys and enter. In this way, all in this column percentage is shown. The fifth column, E, is performing the grade of percentage. We can enter data by select cell and edit. Press on edit. In the D is equal to, if D5 is greater than 90, single comma, double commas or quotation mark. In this we type message A plus grade and double commas. After double commas, we enter single commas. In this way, we enter the formula 5 times. D7 is greater than, D7 is a percentage cell. D7 is greater than 80, single commas, double commas. In double commas, we enter data A grade and type double quotation or double commas. After enter double commas, we enter single comma. This method we apply 5 times, and last is if D7 is greater than 32, single commas, double commas we enter, pass, and then double commas, and enter single commas, otherwise that is called else condition. In double commas we type fail. After entering data, then we type double commas and close brackets in 5 times that we start.